The implementation, learning and engaging through e-portfolios. The idea, I'm proposing that students in grade 9th through 12th will create their own e-portfolios that individualizes each student's strengths, weaknesses, and interests. The idea is for students to create a digital portfolio that centralizes multiple facets of communication, scheduling, finance, college and career readiness, academics, and extracurricular activities. A lot of the students that I work with, they have very, very poor organizational skills. Um, and I want to create an e-portfolio or allow them to create e-portfolios so that they can take ownership of their learning. The instructional design approach, students will receive meaningful instruction that will identify gaps in knowledge, learning skills needed, attitudes towards learning new structured material, student performance goals, and how working independently creates student ownership. This is my 3-column table with my course goals and outcomes. Student-led instruction. Student-led learning is one of the instructional activities that can take place when students work in small groups. During learning activities, students will work in small groups, and a single student will lead the group through a part of the activity. In addition to helping students master process standards, student-led instruction has an added benefit of reinforcing math skills. It provides review for the students and a chance for them to apply skills in different settings. This creates constructive dialogue among the students and resiliency in working through challenging problems together. And in cases where the teacher's instruction didn't work well for a student, it also provides the opportunity for students to learn from each other about that particular skill. As the facilitator, the mission is creating a structure of accountability and choice, and it helps facilitate student growth in my courses. As a digital media teacher on my campus, student accountability is very important. Deadlines and attendance is a must in order to be successful. My students must display discipline and will to want to be great throughout the school year. By creating a learning environment that is a safe place for students to speak their inner thoughts and make mistakes without judgment has shown to be a beneficial outcome in student progress. So implementing the use of e-portfolios will create tangible resources of reference that students can build on year after year. This will be a fully online course, asynchronous. Students will take the e-portfolio course fully online. Because students will be one-to-one on their school issued computer. We are a Verizon campus this year, and so all of the students have been provided one-to-one laptops. In addition, in my particular class, I also have multiple desktops that each student will be able to access. It allows students the ability to use cloud storage and save 100% of their templated portfolio assignments, especially using the Schoology platform as our learning management system on our campus and for our district. Students can learn and revise their work or their e-portfolios on their own and update it as needed. And this can carry them as long as they have the Schoology. I have past classes that still has access to their Schoology accounts after they've graduated. Course intro learning community. E-portfolios will be the catalyst for my high school program. I strongly believe it will impact student learning and achievement. The impact will be tremendous as the students will be storing important information about each class that can be accessible at a later date. Data will be shown to students, staff that support impact of the new program introduced. We will meet via Microsoft Teams. It proposed 2 meetings a month, and we will collaborate and discuss what is working and where we have some opportunity growth areas. The infrastructure, implementing an institutional approach for e-portfolios will enable success and identify areas of concern and policy development needs. To be effective, the utilization needs to be embedded into the plans and processes for teaching, learning, and assessment. In an ideal implementation, the e-portfolio will be treated as a central component to the learning and assessment process by users. Thank you.